Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So now we are going to discuss fifth question in first exercise, similar triangles. It is somewhat different from the fourth question. So in fourth question, they are asked us to, they are given parallel and it will going to bisect the other side. Now in fifth question, what is that? They are telling that a line joining from the midpoints of two sides of a triangle. So line joined midpoints of any two sides which will be parallel to the third side. We have to show that the line joined from midpoints of two sides of the triangle, that line will be parallel to the third side. So that is a condition what they are given here. So we had already drawn the triangle, ABC triangle, and D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC. So let's going to write it the solution. So what are the given conditions here? D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. So these are the two midpoints of AB and AC. So these are the conditions. The line is joined. DE is the line joined from midpoints. So these are the given conditions. Now what is required to prove? So RTP, what is that? Required to prove is DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove this is the case here. Now what you can write it here is, now proof. Let's write it, proof. So what is the Thales theorem? It will explain. So Thales theorem will be explains that if any line which is drawn from them, so any line which is drawn from one side of triangle which is parallel to the third side means it will going to divide the two sides into two equal ratios. So Thales theorem will be explains that this line is joined from the two midpoints and it is parallel to the third side. It will divide these two sides AB and AC into equal ratios. That is Thales theorem. But is inverse of Thales theorem. Whatever it is, first take ratios in triangles. So let's take in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, let's take it that AB, AD by DB and AE by EC. But here D and E are midpoints, right? So what you can write, D and E are midpoints. What you can write, midpoints of AB and AC. AB and AC, that means AD will be equal to DB and what is that? AE by EC. AE will be equal to EC. AE will be equal to EC. So take ratios of this. AD by DB, that means AD by AD, that is equals to 1. Then AE by EC, that is equals to AE by AE. You can take it AE by AE, that is equals to 1. Cancel. Both will be cancelled. Then we will get it as 1, 1. So from 1 and 2, what you can write from 1 and 2, both are equal. AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. So from 1 and 2, right side will be 1, 1, right? For that you can equate these two ratios by converse of Thales theorem. By what you can write, converse of Thales theorem or converse of basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So based on that, what you can write here is DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC, hence proved. So what is converse of Thales theorem will be telling that if any two sides of triangle will be divided into equal ratios like this, then the line joined from that midpoints of two lines will be parallel to the third side. So here this is DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. So that is the case here. That is the way of explanation. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.